If SaveFrom.net is not working in Chrome, don't worry. You can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the most effective steps to get SaveFrom working again, especially if the download button is broken, the site is stuck loading, or pasted links are not processing correctly. These fixes are simple, safe, and easy to follow, even if you are not tech savvy. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first fix is to turn off Chrome's page preloading feature. Chrome sometimes tries to preload pages in the background to make browsing faster, but this can interfere with SaveFrom's link detection and make its download tools fail. To do this, open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Then go into Settings. On the left-hand menu, click Performance. In the Speed section, find the option called Preload Pages and switch it off completely. Once that is disabled, close Chrome fully and reopen it so the change takes effect. After that, go back to SaveFrom.net and try your link again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem right away. If SaveFrom is still not working, the next thing to check is your cookies, cache, and any tracking data that may be causing the site to glitch. Sometimes old browser data can conflict with the SaveFrom page and stop the site from loading properly. To clear that data, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. A Chrome cleaning window will appear. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected. If you want, you can also include cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. After the cleanup finishes, refresh Chrome and test SaveFrom again. This often fixes loading issues, broken form fields, and endless spinning wheels on the website. Now let's handle another common cause, which is ad blockers and strict privacy extensions. These tools are great for blocking ads, but sometimes they can also block the script SaveFrom needs to generate download links. If the site opens but the button does not work, or if the page keeps reloading without doing anything, your extension may be the reason. To check this, click the three dots in Chrome, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Find any ad blocker or privacy extension you have installed, such as uBlock Origin or similar tools. You can temporarily pause or disable it while using SaveFrom. If the extension allows site-specific settings, add SaveFrom.net to the Allowlist instead of turning the blocker off everywhere. That way you keep your browser protected while still letting SaveFrom function correctly. Another good habit is to try the site again in a fresh Chrome session after making these changes. Sometimes Chrome needs a restart before the new settings and extension changes fully apply. Once Chrome is reopened, paste your video link back into SaveFrom and see if the download options appear normally. If the site now works, then the issue was most likely caused by either page preloading, corrupted browser data, or extension conflicts. If you are still having trouble, it can also help to make sure Chrome is up to date. Outdated browser versions sometimes cause compatibility issues with websites that rely on scripts and link processing. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. Then try SaveFrom again. So to recap, the main fixes are turning off Chrome, preloading, clearing cookies and site data, and pausing any strict ad blockers or privacy extensions that may be interfering with the SaveFrom download process. These steps solve the problem for most users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix SaveFrom.net in Chrome, please give it a like, subscribe for more browser and software tutorials, and comment below if you want help with another issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.